Hi there! Today we're going to talk about the top 5 social media sites. We will list them down and explain what they should mean to you as a business. Let's start with Facebook. With close to 3 billion monthly active users, Facebook is arguably the most popular social media site. Users can share text updates, photos, videos, and links, and they can interact with content shared by others through likes, comments, and shares. Facebook Messenger app comes in 4th place with 1.3 billion active users. Facebook Messenger app is now used as a standalone messenger where users join groups of interest and attend events. Both platforms have a very wide and diverse user base, and that's why most businesses are present on these two. But Facebook is even more useful for specific businesses such as retail businesses, local businesses, and event-based businesses. Facebook is an excellent platform for retail businesses, both online and brick and mortar. The platform allows for easy sharing of product photos and information, and the paid advertising options are great. They allow for highly targeted campaigns. Facebook Shop feature allows businesses to sell their products right from their Facebook page. Local restaurants, shops, and service providers can use the platform to share updates, promote events, and interact with their local community. Additionally, features like Facebook's check-in option or recommendations can provide a boost to local businesses. For businesses that revolve around events like concert venues, theaters, or seminar hosts, Facebook is an excellent promotional tool. They can create events, invite people, and even sell tickets directly on the platform. Next, we come to YouTube, which comes in 2nd place. With over 2 billion logged in monthly users, YouTube is a video sharing platform where users can upload, share, and comment on videos. In addition to allowing users to share and interact with content, YouTube also enables users to subscribe to channels that they enjoy. With its extensive reach and popularity, YouTube is an excellent platform for many types of businesses. The platform is particularly beneficial for businesses that rely heavily on visual content, like demonstrations, tutorials, and storytelling. Examples of that include e-learning and online courses. Businesses that sell online courses can offer free samples from their courses, tutorial videos, or educational content to attract potential customers. Tech companies, on the other hand, especially those selling software or gadgets, can use YouTube to demonstrate how their products work. Unboxing videos, tutorials, and reviews can be very useful to potential customers. Other examples include fitness and wellness businesses, food and cooking businesses, as well as travel agencies. These are all businesses that rely heavily on visual content, either to explain something through demonstration or to wow their audience with visuals. WhatsApp comes in 3rd place. WhatsApp is owned by Facebook, and it's a messaging app used by more than 2 billion people in over 180 countries. It's used for sending text messages, voice messages, making voice and video calls, and also sharing images, documents, user locations, and other media formats. With its widespread use for personal communication, WhatsApp has also become a valuable tool for businesses. Certain types of businesses can gain huge benefits from using WhatsApp for their operations, and here are a few examples of that. Number 1 is small and medium-sized businesses. WhatsApp Business App and API allows small and medium-sized businesses to interact with their customers directly. Features like catalog sharing, automatic replies, and labels make it easier for businesses to manage their communication and showcase their offerings. The second example is e-commerce businesses. WhatsApp can be used to provide instant customer service, confirm orders, send delivery updates, and even facilitate payments in certain regions. The direct, fast communication improves customer experience and enhances trust. The third example is service providers. Local service providers such as plumbers, electricians, or home cleaning services can use WhatsApp to manage bookings, communicate with their clients, and provide updates about their services too. Even banks and other financial institutions are increasingly using WhatsApp for customer service. They can send transaction alerts, fraud warnings, and other updates too. It serves as a secure and direct communication channel with their customers. And since we already mentioned that Facebook Messenger ranks in the fourth place, we will skip to the fifth platform, which is Instagram. Also owned by Facebook, Instagram is a platform centered around video, reel, and photo sharing. Users can post content to their profiles, share ephemeral stories, and interact with others through comments, likes, and direct messaging. Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users. Instagram's visual nature and high user engagement make it a powerful platform for businesses. Businesses that can provide visually appealing content or whose products and services can be effectively showcased through images or short videos are typically the ones that benefit the most. Fashion brands, both big and small, benefit greatly from Instagram's visual focus. They can showcase their products, share the latest collections, and even sell directly on the platform using Instagram's shopping features. Also, restaurants, cafes, food bloggers, or any business related to food and drinks can thrive on Instagram. They can do that by sharing appealing photos or videos of their offerings. And then we have travel agencies, hotels, airlines, or any business in the travel and tourism sector. They can use Instagram to share beautiful locations, travel experiences, and special deals to inspire potential travelers. Whenever you're choosing your social media platform, always consider the nature of the platform and how it would serve your business or not. Do your research on the platform's audience insights and consider whether that medium is worthy of your time and money. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you benefited from that information about the top 5 social media sites. But if you have any other questions, we're happy to help you. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.